The last time I did a nightlife video, the nightlife was a nightlifing. So let's try again. Let's get into what Merida Nightlife is like. Come on the road with me. It's Friday night, we just get paid, we're gonna have fun. This is the fit. Is it giving nightlife? I don't know if it's giving nightlife. It's giving something. I'm old, remember that. Now, before we go to the bar, we have to pre-game a little bit. So when you live in luxury, you get a bar in your apartment complex. So, damn, is it closed? Let's go check. So, I'm gonna walk over to the bar and see what's good, have me a little margarita, and call me an Uber. Watch you like you're on my wrist. Come over, I need you right away. Never really spun like this. Creeping through my mind all night. Watch you like you're on my wrist. Come over, I need you right away. I know it's a lot to take in, but there's something here if I'm not mistaken. Usual feeling is just unimpressed, but I'm scared just to ask you if you're not taking. I need everything in front of me. I breathe to give you what you want from me. A little bit of time now we get so true. It's 9:30. The reservation was for 9, and I'm the first person here. This gonna be on black people late and what you call it? Mexican color people time. All kind of time late. You know, them have a joke say Mexicans late but Jamaicans later. No, it's not only first reach. The place never open. Them put me in a red velvet rope though. The place never open because it flew a red flag to me. Like, I know on a Friday night Merida people not come out early. They do not. They are late on a Friday night. You go out at like 11 p.m., midnight. That's when the people start to kind of come out. So when she said 9, I was like, okay. And I thought it was legit because it was a happy hour thing. Well, here's a look at Merida Nightlife for you. From me, you got good energy, so don't waste it away now, mama. Never really spun like this, creeping through my mind all night and day. I watch you like you're on my wrist. Come over, I need
So the update on that is we can't wait for the Uber come to go in my bed and damn yard. Like 110 would not recommend. Maybe I'm too old for the club life. Like maybe y'all are not supposed to get a nightlife video from me. But you know what though? I keep missing the good link ups. Like I saw a video of a link up a couple weeks ago at a spot that I went to the week before when I went to It Boring. So maybe that's just me boring. Because when the people them go after the week after, I had FOMO. I was like, damn, where were y'all in that island? It was so lit and everybody was dancing and it was vibes. And when me go to place daddy. I just need to give up this life. Night two. We're about to check out what are we going to? Where are we going to? The nightlife here in Merida. Out with the girls. And where are we going to? Right at the corner. First stop, Cotoritos.
Dale ponte por mí, que te quiero sorpresa, que vamos a partir.
Let's go to Cotoritos. First stop of the night. It is currently 11:30. Let's see how I hold up.
I owe you a beer now.
Damn.
I don't drink beer, but you can give me a tequila.
All right, of course. Yeah, sure.
We already met someone. That's Carlos.
Oh, what's going on?
Let me know you.
Ah! You're gonna get him in trouble.
Escalating too fast. Escalating too fast. Guys, here's more of my beer.
Okay. Nice meeting you, Carlos. Bye.
That's all, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video. My ears are still jumping from the from in that last club. I will need 3 to 5 business days just to recover. I really hope you enjoyed the content. If you do, leave a little something in the Buy Me a Coffee kitty down below. I will see y'all in the next one, and I'll leave the links to, or the Instagram links to all the clubs and the spots that we hit up in the description box down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you enjoyed the video.